Hello, and welcome to Friendly Pharmacy 5. My name is Lindsay Dixon, and I'm a pharmacist here from British Columbia, Canada. Today, I want to share with you some wonderful news. We have an antibody treatment for COVID-19 that has recently been approved by Health Canada. This is going to be a game changer for treating mild to moderate COVID-19 cases in Canada. Stay tuned and I'll give you the details. Great news, everyone. Health Canada has approved a monoclonal antibody developed in Vancouver, Canada by AbCellera Technologies. This therapeutic is currently in phase 2 clinical trials. This therapeutic will be given by IV infusion as a single dose over a period of 1 hour. The technology that I'm speaking to you about today is a monoclonal antibody called Bamlanivimab. Monoclonal antibodies have been used and studied for quite some time. However, they are very expensive to produce and they have to be very specific in order to be an effective therapeutic. It's great news that we can use this for COVID-19 because it's going to change the way that we treat patients and hopefully we will get better outcomes. When we are infected with any kind of pathogen or virus, including the SARS-CoV-2 virus, our body immediately starts to respond, and it responds in various different ways. And one of the ways that it responds is that once it can see the antigen, it starts to produce a response which will eventually lead to the creation of antibodies. However, this response takes time. And what's happening with SARS-CoV-2 is that as the body is mounting its inflammatory response, the response is often so strong that it creates what's called cytokine storm. And if the person gets sick enough, they actually get too sick in order to live until the antibodies can be created and can actually be effective enough to reduce this cytokine storm. And so this lag time from the time that the person's infected until the time that the person is able to produce antibodies is causing a lot of trouble. So what this monoclonal antibody is doing is it's giving the body a dose of the antibody that it needs before the body is able to produce its own immune response. This isn't ideal. However, we do have patients that are dying or getting severely ill without this treatment. And so it is my hope, and I'm sure it is Health Canada's hope, that this is really going to be a game changer for therapeutics when we're treating COVID-19. So the hope here is that our case fatality rate will fall considerably with the addition of this new therapeutic. So we know that this monoclonal antibody is still in a phase 2 clinical trial. There's still a lot we don't know about it. So let's quickly look at some details of the BLAZE-1 clinical trial. The BLAZE-1 clinical trial is a randomized, double-blind, placebo-controlled trial. It is showing promising outcomes including reducing viral load, rates of symptoms, and hospitalizations. It is important to remember that this is an antibody treatment. It's probably not long-lasting and it does not replace the need for a vaccine. But it does help people who are getting COVID-19 now and who will in the months to come before a vaccine becomes available. So this is very exciting. Canada has ordered 26,000 doses of the antibody, and Eli Lilly has plans to manufacture up to 1 million doses to be distributed worldwide in the coming year. That's very positive for the fight against this virus. It's going to change a lot of lives, and it's going to save a lot of lives. Thanks for joining me today. I wanted to give you some good news today. I think that this antibody is really going to change the outcomes of a lot of patients, but it does not replace the need to still reduce your social bubble, wash your hands frequently, wear a mask, and do all the things that we know help to protect us from getting this virus in the first place. Thank you so much for joining me. Look forward to seeing you again. Take care and stay healthy. Bye-bye.